Today we're going to do a review of the Craftsman s160. This is a 16-inch blade and it is very light. The chainsaw is definitely a very helpful tool while being on a homestead. Whether it's clearing the land for your new pasture, it's cutting up wood so that you can have some free firewood for your house, keep you warm in the winter, or simply moving that tree out of the way of the path that fell down in the last windstorm. You have a variety of different sizes and power variations for chainsaws, and I would say there's a tool for every job. And if you want 10 chainsaws, go for it. The Craftsman s160 is great for us in regards to it's very lightweight. It's been extremely reliable. It only takes a few pulls and it is good to go. And this 16-inch blade, although we do have trees that are larger, we can make do with ease with this 16-inch blade. You know, it's light enough to walk around the trails and just cut down things that have fallen or are in the path now, or even just making the path itself, cutting down trees. You're not really straining yourself. I'll have to check what the weight is, and I'll put that up here, but it's nothing that's gonna break your back. So all in all, I've been pretty happy with the Craftsman. We got it as a gift when we first started our homestead, because we didn't have a lot of the tools that make our lives easy. I was using an axe, and what can you do there when you're on a tight budget? You got to do what you got to do. However, the only things that I could say have been an issue with the chainsaw is that the safety stopper no longer works. That went relatively soon, but I've taken down at least 60 trees so far with this. It's definitely a smaller chainsaw, so you're gonna have that. It's gonna be less powerful than the big boys out there, but that's all right. It'll make do. I'm trying to think if there's any real complaints other than the fact that the safety no longer works. It's great. It's perfect for a good trail chainsaw. Toss on the back of the ATV, go through the trail, good to go. Surprisingly, for the price, it has lasted. We bought a different chainsaw. I will be doing a review of the Husqvarna that I actually bought and returned a couple weeks ago, and it's 3 times the price, and it broke the first week we had it. That was kind of disappointing. Might have been just because it was a floor model. We're gonna buy another one just to give it a fair review, a fair experience with it. And once we're done trying that out, we'll give you some feedback. But all in all, Craftsman 16-inch s160, great chainsaw for the money. Gets the job done, and I would suggest it. Thanks.